Hello, it's another episode on Tech with Ninana, and today we are going to have a look at what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Let's move on. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate marketing efforts. It is a type of online marketing in which businesses, often called merchants or advertisers, pay affiliates, which happens to be publishers or partners, a commission for driving traffic to their websites, generating leads, or making sales. Here is how affiliate marketing typically works. 1. Merchant or advertiser. This is a company or business that sells products or services. They set up an affiliate program to promote their products. 2. Affiliate or publisher. This is an individual or a company that promotes the products or services of the merchant. Affiliates earn a commission for each customer or visitor they bring to the merchant site through their marketing efforts. 3. Affiliate network. In some cases, an affiliate network acts as an intermediary between the merchant and the affiliate. The affiliate network provides a platform where merchants can list their affiliate programs and affiliates find and join these programs. 4. Customer. The end user who clicks on the affiliate marketing content, makes a purchase, or takes a desired action on the merchant site is known to be the customer. Affiliates use various methods to promote products or services, including blogging and content marketing, writing articles or creating content that promotes the merchant's products. Secondly, we have social media marketing. With social media marketing, all you have to do is share affiliate links on social media platforms to drive traffic. Next on the list is email marketing, where affiliate links are included in email campaigns. Another one is paid advertising, using paid ads to promote products and earn a commission on sales. Affiliate marketing is beneficial for both merchants and affiliates. Merchants can expand their reach and increase sales without upfront costs, whilst affiliates have the opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products or services they believe in. The success of affiliate marketing relies on trust, transparency, and effective communication between merchants and affiliates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.